RapidOSS provides a unified, consistent, web-based user interface for IT operations. We believe users should be able to navigate through management information seamlessly rather than being forced to jump between disparate tools and inconsistent user interfaces. Now, extending this functionality to mobile devices, RapidOSS provides interfaces that are specifically designed to take advantage of unique capabilities and differences of mobile devices. You can now use your smartphones, iPhone, Android, Blackberry, Palm Pre, etc., basically any mobile device with a modern web browser, to work with your IT management applications such as Netcool. In this screencast, I'll use the excellent iPhone simulator Mobi1 Studio to demonstrate the RapidOSS iPhone interface. I'll log in as a user. I'll click on Events to work with the events. Now I see my list of filters. This is the same list of filters we see on the left side of the Events tab in the full web UI. I'll click on a filter to see the events that match that filter. Events are presented as rows in a grid. I can see that in portrait and landscape mode. I can also search the events using the powerful search engine and create new filters. I can select an event by clicking on the event to see the details of that event. This is a read-write interface, so I can acknowledge, take ownership of events, etc., just like the native console. Actions are presented as drop-down menu items as part of the event details view. As an example, I'll acknowledge this event. The event is updated and a journal entry is created immediately, just like the native console. Unlike the full web UI, mobile interface by default does not poll the server continuously for updates, since leaving the UI up is not a typical usage pattern with smartphones. Rather, users can refresh the data when they want by clicking on the refresh button. Users can navigate using the navigational buttons above, and back and forward buttons work as well. Using their mobile devices, users can create new notification rules or modify existing ones. They can disable, enable existing rules, change destination, etc., depending on their situation at the time. For example, repeated SMS messages for each new event does not serve any purpose other than irritation when the user is actively looking at the events on the console. Hence, the user can disable notification rules when actively working with the events, enabling them back when they stop. It is important to note that RapidOSS mobile interface is still a native web application and not an iPhone or Android or Blackberry application. Hence, it can be customized and enhanced easily without going through painful App Store approval and release cycles. An iPhone application for each management tool used by IT organizations recreate the problem we have with desktop applications where users have to switch from app to app, re-enter the same data, etc. to follow operational processes. In contrast, RapidOSS provides mobile access to multiple IT management tools, enabling users to access all the necessary data through a single consistent interface.